What's up, YouTube? This is Aaron with All Three Pools and ICF Guru, and we'll start this video off with a time lapse showing me and several guys getting this thing righted that almost blew over. It's a DIY customer. He's doing a fantastic job, but he did try to get as much as he could out of that scissor lift and didn't put in all of his turnbuckles as he should have or when he should have, and the wind ended up kicking up and really biting him. And we came in just to kind of do our Christmas good deed, and we were able to save the wall, get it straightened up. Big shout out to Fab Form. The horizontal whalers probably kept this wall together. And then obviously Element Block, with every block clipping together with the zip clips. And my experience, they clip harder than Nudura or Stronghold. And I think that those two things together probably really saved this thing from going all the way. Okay, guys, so I've had a few minutes with the owner to look this over. I actually think that we can get it back to plumb and save this without having to basically demolish the entire second story pour. This corner here is going to be the biggest trick to get back right, but in the absolute worst case, I think we may have to. Absolutely worst, we can get the rest of the wall righted, and then we'll have to get surgical on that corner, but we may get lucky and get it all done. You can see the wind right here. It was right here, and it yanked this brace out, and this is a little sketchy. I'll take you guys in here. If you were to kick that brace out right now, it'd be a bad day. I'll spin this around. Look at this. So it almost went the rest of the way. He had this one kicker in, which obviously, guys, if he had all of his kickers in, every one of these vertical stiff backs should have had a turnbuckle on it. But he's operating this machine here. That's how he's been stacking his blocks. A little bit of a shortcut, and he almost got away with it. 2 more days, and he would have been done stacking the sidewalls, and he would have put his kickers in and been fine, and then he would have got it poured and never ever even known how close, or how risky it was. But unfortunately, he said the winds right here were clocked at about 64 miles an hour. I don't think we quite got that in Springfield, but it was a hurricane. It was not fun. Well, anyway, I told him, ICF Guru, so we want to help him out, So I got a couple guys I've called. This is out west of town, so I got a buddy. You guys know Marshall. And he's been working on a couple pools of his own out here in the Aurora area. He's going to come over here, operate this this scissor lift while I run a telehandler that he's going to get. And I'm going to bring in Battle, which is, our guy from the pool side. And we're going to try to get this thing uprighted for him, save the pour, and let him move on without having to start over. So if we can save him that, we were completely out of Zonts and Zuckles that we could rent. We had multiple houses that we had our stock rented out on. And the place he's renting them from is charging him an absolute arm and a leg for these things. So I want to try to get them where he can return them right away. Because by a stiff back and a whaler and start to try to pull it back up. One thing Battle just did is we put a couple kickers right here. This thing here is tilted so bad we're worried that the whole thing could try to kick out when I start pulling on it, even though I'm going to try to give it a little upward pressure. Not positive. So anyway, that's kind of what we're going to be trying to do. I got a time lapse that hopefully shows a little more. We had a guy that actually framed the houses in Dolphin Island for us. Never really worked for me, but kind of did those 2 houses with a crew that was out of Joplin, Missouri. Turns out his dad lives up the street, and he was aware of this when he saw it on YouTube. He literally just volunteered to come in here and help. So we got a little Christmas miracle crew working. Hopefully. We're going to know a lot more here in a minute. Too many things to watch. Trying to watch my fork and him. She's coming. Battle. Do you have enough room where I'm parked to keep coming? Okay. Worst case, cut that thing off if it starts to get up against me. Oh, Marshall, you're right in, like, you're in the way of battle. I can't see you. Whoa, hey, what? Keep your head on a swivel. I don't know what that even was. Here. Let me come take a peek seat. I get that the corner's screwed. We just want to get most of this wall straight and a few kickers on it, and then we can see what we can do with that corner, because I'm already thinking about, no idea if it's possible, but if we could, we may be able to lift up on that corner from inside, like go down and grab a rebar, like with just a couple of the hooks, like 3 or 4 rows down, and just pick up and push all that back in. It'll go or it won't. The other option is we had to trim all the nubs off and push it back together with plywood. Okay, so we've got the wall back to plumb, pretty close to plumb anyway. We are able to manipulate it now with just the zuckles. And I'm pulling the fork out, and I'm going to pick up a man basket and lift Battle up on that outside corner so he can start working on that, which I'm going to show you in just a second. One thing I didn't get video of is Marshall on that scissor lift and how he manipulated the inside. And he actually kind of used, we're kind of known for finding all kinds of fun ways to use Fab Forms parts for off-label uses. And he was screwing the zuckles onto blocks on both sides of that gap in the corner, and he would use those zuckles to suck the corner back together, and it actually worked amazingly well, but I was outside running the telly and didn't get it on video. But there's just always kind of, if there's a will, there's a way, just kind of little incremental improvements, and all of a sudden the wall's back to normal. Okay guys, so we've just about got it righted. I'll show you what we're working on now. You got Jim's up here. He's put a block right above his head there, and Battle over here, that corner that was such a mess, he put another block right on the corner. One of the cool things about Element Block is their corner is incredibly robust, and they have support right to the corner. The support actually goes around the corner. Yeah, Battle's excited because it's going good. And I got him a new Sawzall for Christmas. So now what he's doing, we got it all lined up, and he just put a block right there where he can beat down on it. What's that? One more block, okay. Yeah, she's coming together. We just got that corner to sew up a little bit, and we had to take a chunk out up there that was just bounded in the way, and it was broken due to that brace real bad anyway. And guys, we're almost righted, which is all we wanted to do today. He'll be adding significant bracing, so he'll be about ready to pour. And I think as long as the schedule permits, I think we're gonna come out here, try to help him pour. I may come out here a few times, just show you guys as he's doing his heat sheet and stuff, because that product there we sell a ton of for hydronic. And people who don't understand hydronic and how good, look at him beating on that thing, look. Look at it go together though. He got it. It's all about being even with your pressure. If he hit that wrong, he could have cracked the block, but slapping it kind of like a paddle, it just seated it. And now it's in. I mean, we're almost completely back. I want to see here. How do you feel right now? A little better? I
feel a whole lot better than I did Thursday night when that wind was blowing.
Yeah, that's a kick in the teeth. It is.
A whole lot better than it was this morning.
Yeah, because I think it got worse since I was out here the weekend. I think it was getting just a little bit worse. I thought the braces had it stationary, but it's pretty good. But that corner, I didn't know that it was going to go back together that good. And that was actually didn't even fight us much. That came back together nice. Battle's about to get it.
I would just say if you're going to build with ICF, use Element Block. It's the best block.
Those zip clips saved you. Because all the other blocks you were looking at, whatever, they all have metal clips, but they're down at the bottom, and they're at the top, and they're around the windows, but they wouldn't have been out here in the field, and that field held together. It would have started uncoupling. So, yeah, worked out really, really good. Like I said.
Another thing, too, is if you're going to buy Element Block, buy it from Aaron.
Oh, yeah, of course. Buy it from Aaron. Buy it from all three. Right. You didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it. We do try to support our people.
They're out here helping us to could have been a major error. It was a major error, but
well,
it could have been even worse.
Hey, it worked
really
out.
Appreciate all these guys.
Oh, it worked out good. This is our Christmas gift to you. So.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That corner there straightened up a lot better than I expected. We got it. He's got a couple things. You see that big hole right there? We had to remove a little piece of foam to get it to sit back down, but he'll just put it back in there just like if it was a blowout. We've got a pretty good seam right there that it cracked. So effectively that's going to be a bastard joint, but he's got her, and that wall's topped out. So I mean, we've got about half the number of braces he'll ultimately want to get. He's got to finish this rake here and this one over here and brace it all up. And I think, like I said, if scheduling works out, we're going to try to slide in on pour day and just make sure he's got a little insurance. Went great, guys. This is, you guys didn't know this guy because he was, I wasn't doing YouTube, but Jim here, he actually helped frame our Dolphin Island houses with a crew out of Joplin that are pretty awesome carpenters. But everything went really good. We're going to go back and wrap up all the other projects before Christmas. But you boys have a great day.